Well, America waited expectantly to see what TR would do. As one historian wrote, Americans of the early 1900s did not easily overlook an agitator who bore one of the nation's most aristocratic names, who could charm a Sunday school class or lead a regiment, turn out historical essays or lasso a steer, and who, in addition, happened to be President of the United States. Americans probably expected some excitement, and they were not to be disappointed. As Mark Twain said, Teddy Roosevelt was, in his words, the Tom Sawyer of the political world, always hunting for a chance to show off. One of his cabinet members put it this way. He sent a message to Roosevelt on Roosevelt's 46th birthday, and the message read as follows: "You have made a very good start in life, and your friends have great hopes for you when you grow up." He was 46. Well, surely he sought attention. He always wanted to be the center of attention. It's been said that Roosevelt was the kind of person who always wanted to be the bride at every wedding and the corpse at every funeral. My favorite story to illustrate this is maybe apocryphal, but here's the story anyway. The story is that on one occasion Roosevelt came up to a friend of his and he said, "I had the most wonderful dream last night. I dreamed that I died and went to heaven. And on the first night, the celestial choir sang. It was magnificent. There were 1,000 sopranos, 1,000 altos, 1,000 basses." And the friend said, "What about the tenors?" To which Roosevelt replied, "I sang tenor." So you get the idea.